Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can open your store on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing you will see is the home page. Right here in the home page, you're gonna find, if you are new to Shopify, you're gonna find this setup guide menu. So basically, guys, this will make opening your store very easier. You just need to complete these tasks. So firstly, you need to add your first product, customize your online store, add a custom domain, add sharing data, and so on. Once you complete this, you will be able to open your store. Also, if you come here to online store and go to themes, you can customize your store from here, from the editor. You can edit anything that you want in your store. And lastly, one more thing that you need to do, guys, is go to settings and then click on plan right here in the left side. Once you click on plan, you're gonna find here choose plan option. And right here, you're gonna find the plans that are available for you to subscribe in order to be able to open your store. So there is the basic plan that has these features: 2 staff members, up to 1,000 location, points of sale, and basic reports. Find also the Shopify plan, and lastly the advanced plan, which has the most features. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.